Jill, Squav, let's cut the fluff. Today we're talking about the 10 businesses that never die, like ever. Recessions? Pandemics? Alien invasions? These bad boys keep spitting out cash. And guess what? You can buy one right now instead of starting from scratch. No cap. Let's get into it. First off, why buy a business instead of starting one? Real talk. 90% of startups crash and burn. Why gamble when you can snag a biz that's already crushing it? Imagine walking into a money printing machine on day one. That's the power of buying versus begging for customers. All right, let's roll out the 10 forever businesses. Grab a snack. This is golden. Trash titans, waste management. People always make trash. Always. Whether it's 2008 or 2024, garbage trucks keep rolling. Großmagins, 30 to 40%. Boring? Maybe. Profitable? Hell yeah. Glam Squad, beauty services, nails, lashes, hair, women and guys. Ain't skipping self-care, recession or not. Margins? 40 to 50%. Plus, you get to flex on Instagram with before and after pics. Car wash cash cows cars get dirty. Always. Automated washes? Even better. Margins hit 60% plus. Bonus. You're basically selling water and soap at premium prices. Laundry love, laundromats. Nobody's gonna stop wearing clothes. Ever. Slap in some arcade games and vending machines? Boom. 30 to 50% margins while folks wait for their spin cycle. Property management pros landlords hate dealing with tenants. Enter you. Take 5 to 10% of the rent for playing middleman. Margins? 30 to 50%. Passive income? Check. HVAC Heroes AC breaks in July. You're the savior. Install, repair, repeat. Margins? 40 to 50%. Plus, you'll never run out of sweaty customers. The final stop, funeral homes. Dark? Sure, but death don't take a day off. Margins? 50 to 60%. It's grim, but the cash flows eternal. Bug busters, pest control. Roaches don't care about the stock market. Neither do terrified homeowners. Margins? 40 to 60%. Spray, collect checks, repeat. Storage empires, people hoard everything. Climate-controlled units? Gold. Margins hit 60 to 70%. Literally get paid to store someone's old couch. Auto repair, OG's cars break. Always. EVs? Still need fixes. Margins? 30 to 50%. Be the mechanic people trust, and you'll never starve. Now, how do you buy one of these? Step 1. Hit up BizBuySell or Flippa. Filter by recession-proof industries. Step 2. Slide into brokers' DMs. Be like, yo, got any HVAC biz for sale? Step 3. Crunch the numbers. If it's cash flow positive, buy it. Use the business profits to pay off the loan. Genius, right? Look, I'm handing you the cheat code to generational wealth. Smash that subscribe button. It's free, and you'll get more gems like this. Oh, and if you want to help me drop even crazier content, join my Patreon fam, link below. You're literally funding the revolution against 9 to 5S. Stay hungry, stay smart. Go buy a business, stack that cash, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe or stay poor. Your choice. Jokes kinda. Hit join, and let's build empires together. Patreon link below if you want to be a legend. Thanks for rocking with the squad. You're the reason I do this. Stay winning.